Is it the right time to buy or sell DraftKings stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into DraftKings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Boost your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 18, 2024, our system has ranked DraftKings as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, DraftKings has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 16.17% since we first recommended buying it 18 days ago. This means the stock has been generating an average return of 0.9% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken the short-term upward trend and is now rising at an even stronger rate. There is support at the current trend's broken level of $41.49, which could offer a second chance to capitalize on the upward movement. Fan theory suggests that $49.37 could be the next resistance level, potentially requiring multiple attempts to break. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 8.25% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.57% to 2.98%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 96.66% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 46.84% to 99.31%. This indicates a price range of $64.04 to $86.92 after a year. Our latest update for DraftKings brings some good news. It was a green day on Monday for the company. The stock price of DraftKings increased by 0.530% on the last trading day, which was Monday, February 12, 2024. It rose from $43.38 to $43.61. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains for the company. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. On Monday, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $41.29 and a high of $43.77, showing a 5.99% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 9.27% and has seen gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume also increased on Monday, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 360,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $674.36 million. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of DraftKings stock was $44.04, while the lowest price was $15.69. Currently, the price is 0.98% or $0.430 below the 52-week high. It is also 41.37% or $30.77 below the all-time high, which was reached on March 22, 2021, when the price reached $74.38. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, UBS gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, BMO Capital gave DKNG an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, December 26, 2023, UBS gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave DKNG an underperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Benchmark gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given DraftKings stock a general rating of neutral. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for DraftKings. The DraftKings stock shows promising buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $42.53 and $37.32. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 35.39% increase in the stock price so far. This suggests a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which gave a buy signal recently. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which also indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 15 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 22 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. It's also important to consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 70 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 68 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for DraftKings. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple of key areas to keep an eye on for DraftKings. Currently, there is strong support just below today's level at $37.54 and $37.03. However, it's important to note that if the stock breaks through this support, it may then fall to the next level of support. In this case, that next level would be at $37.54. If that level is broken, the stock may find support at $37.03 and $36.62 based on accumulated volume. It's worth mentioning that DraftKings is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its potential for volatility. Throughout the day, this stock can experience significant movement. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a large range of potential price movement. So, it's important to be aware of this risk when considering investing in DraftKings. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that DraftKings has had a daily average volatility of 3.21% over the past week. Additionally, in the last day alone, the stock had a price range of $2.48 between its high and low, which represents a 5.99% change. These numbers give us a sense of the stock's recent volatility. Before we discuss potential trading levels for DraftKings, it's important to understand some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are experiencing financial losses. It's normal for established companies to have downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 15, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for DraftKings. We'll start with the positive side. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep a close eye on the volume to determine the right time to exit. Now, let's talk about the downside. DraftKings encounters its first support level at $37.54. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for DraftKings from multiple analysts is considered neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Dodge or Stanton, who bought and sold a total of 812,002 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculation shows a negative insider power with a ratio of -5.333. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 5,058,586 shares and sold 5,474,711 shares in total. For today's stock recommendation, we suggest setting a stop loss at $42.14, which reflects a decrease of 3.38%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 81, indicating an increased level of risk. It's important to consider these factors before making any investment decisions. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 27 days ago. Is DraftKings stock a good buy? DraftKings shows several positive signals, but we believe they may not be strong enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we suggest holding or accumulating the stock while waiting for further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Tuesday, February 13th, we expect DraftKings to open lower by $0.722 and start trading at $42.89. Before we delve into today's topic, it's crucial to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it's highly recommended that you consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's important to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.